Hello friends, welcome to Vidyutech. This is Sai Prakash. This video is all about squaring a number in 2 seconds friends. Friends, we are writing the competitive exam. Getting the right answer anyway is not important than getting the right answer in less time. So we have come up with the speed math tricks. Make sure that you are going to train yourself to do fast calculation friends. Please follow the classes regularly and watch this video until the end of the session. Friends, coming to the topic squaring a number in 2 seconds. In this video I would like to take base as 80. Okay, till now we have spoken about bases like 10, 20, 50, 100, okay, like that. Coming to the method 1, I am squaring a number 83. Okay, method 1. I am taking the base as 80 friends, 83 cross 83, which means 83 square. Okay, take a number minus base, 83 minus 80, I am going to get plus 3. 83 minus 80, I am going to get plus 3. Make sure the sign friends, sign is very important over here. Okay, I am going to multiply 3 times 3, I will get 9. Okay, 83 plus 3, I am going to get 86 plus 86, and over here 83 plus 3, I am going to get 86. Now I am going to multiply 86 times 8. Okay, 6 8 is 48, 8 8 is 64, 64 plus 4, I am forwarding 4 to 64. Okay, I will get 68, 688. Okay, I am leaving one digit over here and I am adding 9 directly to this number. I will get 6889. Okay, I am doing very same 83 square in the another way, but the method is same. Okay, from now onwards we will be doing like this only friends. Okay, I am going to subtract 3 from the 83. As I have subtracted, I am also adding 3. 83 minus 3 we will get as 80. And 83 plus 3 we will get 86. Okay, I am going to multiply 80 times 86. Okay, over here you can see 80 is base from this and 86 means 83 plus 3. Okay, same friends, but the way is different. Okay, I am going to multiply 86 times 80. 6 8 is 48, 8 8 is 64, 64 plus 4, 68. And I am going to add 3 cross 3, that is 9. 6889. 6889 and 6889. From now onwards we are going to follow in this way. Okay, I hope you understand that friends. Friends, coming to the method 2, I am going to do same 83 square in the method 2 friends. Okay, I am going to split 83 into 2 parts, taking first part value as A and second part value as B. Therefore, A equal to 8 and B equal to 3. We know formula A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Make sure the pattern friends, pattern is very important. Don't interchange the terms. Okay, A square means 8 square. 8 square 64, 2 cross A cross B, 2 cross 8 cross 3. B square, that is 3 square, that is equivalent to 9. 2 cross 8 we will get 16. 16 times 3, 48. 9 over here and 64. I am going to take only one digit friends. Okay, first, because on the right side you are only having one digit, or simply you can say B is having only one digit. So I am writing over here friends 9, 8. I am forwarding carry 4 to the 64. 64 plus 8 you will get 68. 6889. 6889, which is the square of 83. Friends, please go to the other playlists also. Links are in the description below. Friends, with the same base 80, I am going to do the square of 79. Okay. Coming to method 1, base as 80, 79 cross 79. Okay, 79 minus 80. I am going to get minus 1. Make sure sign, friends, sign is very important. 79 minus 80. I am going to get minus 1. I am going to multiply minus 1 times minus 1. I will get plus 1. Okay. After that, 79 minus 1. I will get 78. And again, 79 minus 1. Here we go, we got 78. Okay. Now I am going to multiply 78 times 8. 8 8 is 64, 7 8 is 56, 56 plus 6, 62. Okay, 6 2 4. By leaving one digit over here, I am going to add 1. I will get 6 2 4 1, which is the square of 79. Okay. Same method is same, friends. I am doing it in the different way. Okay. Check it up. 79 square. Okay. I am going to add 1. As I have added 1, I am going to subtract 1. 79 plus 1, I will get 80. And over here, 79 minus 1, I will get 78. Over here you can see 80 is the base, whereas 78 is 79 minus 1. You have got 78 and the base as 80. Okay. I am going to multiply 78 times 80. Okay. 0, 8 8 is 64, 7 8 is 56 plus 6, 62. And now I am going to multiply 1 times 1. I will get 1. Okay. I am going to add it over here. 6 2 4 1. 6 2 4 1 and 6 2 4 1. Same, friends. The way is different. Okay. Friends, coming to the method 2. I am going to do same 79 square in the method 2. Okay. 79 square. I am going to split 79 into 2 parts. Taking first part value as A, second part value as B. A value equal to 7 and B value equal to 9. We know a famous formula A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Please follow the same pattern, friends. Okay. Don't interchange the terms. Okay. A square means 7 square. 7 square 49. 2 cross A cross B. 2 cross 7 cross 9. Okay. And over here B square means 9 square 81. Okay. 2 cross 7 14. 14 cross 9. Okay. I will get 126. 81 and over here 49. Okay, we have to take only one digit, friends, because on the right side you are having only one digit, or you can simply say B is having only one digit. Okay, so I am writing the answer over here, friends, 1, and I am forwarding 8 over here. 8 plus 126, I will get 134. Okay, I am taking only one digit, 4. I am forwarding 13 to 49, I will get 62. 6241 and 6241. Okay, you can do any of the method, friends. Okay, I want you to do 68 square, 92 square, 88 square, 86 square, 76 square by using both the method, friends. Okay, please comment the answer in the comment box. Friends, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description below. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.